Alright everybody, I've finally had some time to film a video, so System Test 7 with the MS-10UD is what you're going to see today. And yes, we're still in the portable S.E.R, and the light is kind of giving everything a robustic look, which I think it kind of looks cool. Yeah, I think it kind of looks cool, so yeah. Still got the panel, everything's normal with that. Focus that, it says S.E.R safety. So for notification appliances today we have the System Sensor Spectralerts horn strobe, and it is the classic style. I believe these are on 15 candela. And then the other one is also a Spectralerts, as you can see over there. We have the FCI MS6 single action pull station, as you can see right here. And then we have the American Time and Signal pull station. This is a really rare model, and the model of it is SP-2. I think this one actually belonged to Samsung at one time. I don't know if any of you guys know him. Alright everybody, let's hear these alarms go off in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and acknowledge it, and then we will silence the alarm. I really like the sound of these. That was the first time these alarms have gone off in probably a good 4 months. Alright, are we all ready? In 3, 2, 1. This one's really easy to pull. Go ahead and use the Anunciador. This is called an Anunciador, and it allows you to control basic parts of the fire alarm system without being at the panel. Very nice feature to have. Alright, I just got an alert that there was a vehicle accident near me on my phone. Alright, so we can go ahead and reset these pull stations. These are extremely easy to reset. You just stick the key in on this one, and since it's a button, you just got to turn it and close it. Just like that. And then on this one, you have to open it up. It takes a simplex B key. Flip the switch back to normal, pull the lever up, close it, and then turn the key. It's kind of being finicky with me. Come on. There it goes. Alright. And then we can go ahead and reset from the panel. So you just push the system reset button. I bet you some of you are probably curious as to how the new construction of the S.E.R is coming along, so let's go take a look at that. Go ahead and hop outside. Someone is really having fun with a gun. I don't know if you can hear that, but here is, ready, 3, 2, 1. There it is so far. This is the construction of the new S.E.R. We've got pretty much most of the foundation in, and yeah, it's looking great. And then if we go over, that is the temporary S.E.R. so far. And yes, we do have chickens there, because we live in Idaho. Who doesn't have chickens? Alright everybody, thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.